Hello, YouTubers and broadcasters. If your brother is still snoring, then maybe you should palm his face. So you should give him a little more extra fizz and slap like this. Watch this.